Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammar in English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss simple present tense, explanation and examples. Look at this table: subjects, base form of the verb and yes form. I, you will have the verb like eat. They, we, go. Plural nouns, walk. So, subjects I, we, you, they and plural nouns will have the base form of the verb. And he, she, it will have yes with it. Eat, you have to add yes with the base form of the verb eat. And singular noun, goes. If the base form of the verb is go, the subject is in singular, you have to add yes with go, goes. Non-count nouns will have yes with the base form of the verb. And subjects followed by verb in base form. And subjects with verb in yes form. Say I. I is the subject. I will have the base form of the verb like. I like idli. You look good. Base form of the verb look. They eat rice. Base form of the verb. We throw dice. Base form of the verb throw. But in this side, look at these subjects: she, he, it and mother. All these subjects will have yes form of the verb. She makes toys. He plucks flowers. It takes time. Mother bakes cake. And here look at these examples. Subjects followed by verb in base form. Chefs. The subject is in plural form, so we have used base form of the verb use. Chefs use spices. The boys, the subject here we have used is in plural form. So the verb ring is in the base form. The boys ring the doorbell. Children, it is a plural subject. So the verb is in the base form. Children sing on special occasions. Some people are in plural form, so the verb is in the base form. Some people bring gifts to parents. Bees, it's a plural noun. Bees sting when they are disturbed. And here we are going to use yes form of the verb. Look carefully the subjects: water. Water slakes thirst. Jack likes dates. Singular, third person singular. Mr. Ram, third person singular, fills the jar. Grandma, third person singular, washes plates. The dog, third person singular, jumps gates. So, third person singular subjects will have yes form of the verb and plural subjects will have base form of the verb. We use simple present tense to express routine actions and facts. Here are some examples for routine actions. Ram brushes his teeth every morning. Rani usually drives to work. The teacher teaches English. These are all routine actions, regular actions. So, in order to express our regular actions, we have to use simple present tense. And facts. Hawaii is in the Pacific Ocean. It's a fact. So, we have used simple present tense to express this sentence. Some birds fly south for winter. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. Now we are going to discuss some exercises. Tell whether the present tense is appropriate in the following sentences. See, yesterday I go to Ooty. Look these sentences carefully and say whether it is the verb is in appropriate form. Every day, Mr. Jones cleans his room. They usually take the bus to the office. Right now, Rani eats her breakfast. Mary and Rani work in the bank. Here, yesterday I go to Ooty is the wrong use of the verb because the sentence is in past tense, so the verb should be in past tense. Every day Mr. Jones cleans his room. It is the correct usage of the verb. They usually take the bus to office. Right. Right now, Rani eats her breakfast. Right now, Rani is eating her breakfast. So, the usage of the verb here is wrong. Mary and Rani work in the bank. This is the right usage of the verb. See, common mistakes in simple present tense. Not using the yes form for singular subjects. See, Jack is a singular subject, third person singular. Jack likes Indian food is the right usage of the verb, but many people will use like. That is the base form of the verb. Jack like Indian food is incorrect sentence, but Jack likes Indian food is the correct sentence. And here, using the simple present tense when another tense is required. Last night I watched television for 3 hours. Last night is in past tense, so we have used watched, the past verb, past form of the verb here. So this is the correct usage. Last night I watched television for 3 hours is the wrong usage. So far in this class we have discussed the usage and verb form of simple present tense. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.